Hi, this is the Tanja Nixx show. Today I'm taking you camping. I'm going to New Hogan Lake again. I have made a video about it before. This time I went to a different campsite and I had a different experience. So I hope you enjoy the show. And if you like the show, please subscribe so you won't miss out on any other shows. We got ribs and chile relleno at this little market that's on the way to New Hogan Lake. I'm relaxing now, and I have to say, this camping, it's a little hard to bring down stuff here. Alright, I bought a dorky hat. Have to admit. I'm browning some onions and making some hamburger patties for my tortilla wrap. You can see this is our kitchen and all our stuff around here. We moved to camping place number 87 but left our car at 85. But at night the rangers told us to move it over to our new campsite. I got the hamburger, the onions. Wow. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, here's a good. It tasted pretty good, I have to say, with onions. Onions are essential. And the dog always hopes that something falls off, but there's nothing left. I always seem to bring more stuff with me, but you know, it's better to have more food than being hungry. And Ruby likes it too. Ruby is always on alert. She's always on alert for a squirrel. So there's one thing, I have this one tub here where I keep all my spices. Like here's some coffee, sugar, spices, pancake mix, Spam. You never know if you need Spam. I like this coffee from Trader Joe's. It's already like pre-mixed with everything. We also have real coffee, but this is all my dry bag. By the way, those are I like some swimming boots. I bought this. I like this. It has an opener, scissors, I just tried out this knife. It is amazingly sharp. It also has a wine opener, skewers. Here's like I don't know what this is. It looks good. There's little 4 sets of chopsticks, forks, knives, and spoons. And there's 4, and there's a big knife, and even a little bit of this. It's morning now. It's 6 o'clock, and Ruby gets very excited because there's so many noises and animals and squirrels. Sometimes there's even some kind of birds like ducks or not ducks, some other kind of pheasants maybe. Bathroom, I'll show you. Really nice. Garbage. Just want to show you the shower. This is the shower. Yeah. He's too afraid. Ruby, 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 Ruby. This is a quesadilla. We got onions I made the night before. We got some quesadillas. We got this beautiful, nice, fresh tomato salad from the farmer's market. And some nice Angus burgers, beef patties with a few onions. I love how cozy my car is. It's very nice.
No.
No.
Hey, hey, hey.